Not anything new though. Another video coming up on why I don't like studying on the last day. So technically speaking, I'm not studying on the last day. I tried to do this thing. I read and nothing got in. I mean, from 6 to 12, I was here, sitting, reading. Even the day before yesterday, I was reading. I watched videos. Nothing got in. So sometimes it's just a subject. Also, it's probably also the first, what can I say? It is the first exam. No, it is the first exam. So that's probably why. So yeah, we're here with 9 tests to go. I'm not even done with this one. I'm only halfway. Page 6 of 12. Imagine that. But the questions are repeating. Now, memo, vision. You have to measure the figure or dimension of an object and compare the given target. Pass the signal. Also, price is applied to control device and the machine. Our machine doesn't need time. Output device according to the signal and the input devices. Yeah. So if we move rotate process, circuit product with more high speed. And inverter generate alternating power from DC current. Why? Just use DC. It's simple. Okay, so vision is to measure the figure or dimension of the target product based on the PLC is to operate the output of the target product based on the input signal. Yes. And then you've got servos to move, rotate, and process the target product. Huh? No. High speed and accuracy. Relay to operate an output of the target product. Oh.
Business.
If you guys are interested in what I'm listening to, just checking it out. It is the peaceful piano. Well, if you guys can hear what I'm playing. Anyway, it is the peaceful piano radio music to focus and study to. It's really, really helping. So yeah, that's what I'm listening to or playing in the background. It's pretty nice, I must say. Reminding me of a few songs that I can't play because of copyright, but I'm not actually quite sure if this one will be copyrighted, as well as I spend my time here instead of studying. Anyway. You gotta normally open push start release. You gotta normally push release stop it. After 20 counts. Okay, I got my start and my stop. That's a SR. Where do you go? So I got a counter. I got a C. I got a. What else do I have? I got a counter. I got the reset and I got the preset value and I got the preset value is 20. I got a current value and I got a Q. Watts. I got a Q. Watts. You got a motor that goes on when you go inside. You got a CTU. You got a 20. These guys don't know what I'm talking about. I'll put the diagram here so that you know what I'm trying to figure out. Anyway, you got a reset which you reset. And then you got a 20. What is sending me? I'm studying. Kind of. The automation pyramid, they classify the different IT layers of industrial automated production plants into 5 layers. In a chronological order, show these 5 layers from the top layer to the bottom layer and give an example of typical associated systems or equipment on the lowest plant layer level for a total of 6 months. For what reason? We do not know. Right, so you got a management. You got a management at the top. Then you got a supervisor, you got a control, you got a field. What am I missing in word triangle? So you got your field, you got your control, you got your supervisor, you got your management. I am missing something. And you got your planning. Okay. What? So you got your management. Yeah. You got your management. And then you got planning. Why is planning there? Then you got your supervisory. So you got your management, you got your supervisory, then you got why is planning there? You got your management, you got your planning, you got your supervisory, you got your control. Which also doesn't make sense. Why the heck is control under supervisory? Okay, I suppose it doesn't make sense. And you got your control. After control, you got your field. And in your field, you got your sensors and your actuators. What's an actuator? I have no idea. And it's in the test. So you got your management, you got your planning, MSE. Why it's there? Nobody knows. Then you got your supervisory level, number 3, right there in the middle. Then you got your control. To explain why control is there, because your control, wow. Remember that diagram that I was drawing for 5 hours and going back and forth with the sum and what I'll put the picture. So that one there is your control to check if there's no errors between what you want to get on the output and what you're getting on your input. That's your control. So you got your field at the bottom, you got your control, you got your supervisory, you got your planning, and last but not least, the C-suites, you got your management. Where is this here? Question 6, question 6, question 6, question 6, question 6, question 6, question 6. You got industrial and you got conventional networks. Yeah, this is torture. Why the heck am I supposed to know that the round trip time of an industrial network is supposed to be 250 microseconds to 10 milliseconds? By the way, that's very fast. And why is the conventional network 15 milliseconds per? Okay, that makes sense. But still, you know what? Let's do that, please. If you can't see, you can't see. It's not my problem. And then you got the reliability required here is high. The reason why it's high, I'm not going to get into that. And then conventional is moderate. Round trip times 250 US, that's microseconds, to 10 milliseconds. Whereas for conventional, it is 50 milliseconds. Operating environment, hostile hostile conditions. Imagine, hostile is something. Anyway, you got hostile conditions in conventional, you got clean in that. Also doesn't make sense. These words need to be changed, but I'm not the one who made them, and I'm not going to touch. Finally, we're done. What time is it? Almost. Okay. There's progress. There's progress. Right. This is Unit 6 content. I know because I read yesterday, and apparently something is got in. I mean, nothing got in, it's only getting in today. Because of this music. Check out the Lofi Girl. Very, very helpful. Now, application domain. Conventional network, it is corporate home environments. Environments, yes. The application domain of an industrial network is drum roll, please. I forgot.
No, it's not. Arrest this man.
In a conventional network, why the heck is it called a conventional network? Like, what is a conventional network? What is a hostile environment doing in industrial plant? Hostile, not dirty or anything less severe. Hostile. I mean, they said clean. At least put dirty. I mean, you put clean there. Not hostile anyway. To show you that this is what it actually looks like. Application domain is actually, I forgot. What are the 4 main parts broadly associated with the Industrial IoT field? Now, what the IoT field is the Internet of Things. Yes. The Internet of Things. As for why things of internet, I really do not know. But that is associated with the 4th internet revolution, as I told you guys. 4 main parts, I honestly speaking do not know the answer for that. Intelligent assets, a data communications infrastructure, analytics and application to interpret and act on data and people. Okay. So explanation time. You got intelligent assets, data communication infrastructure, analytics and application to interpret and act on the data. And you need people. So it's like this. It's like this. Let me break it down. You got things. You got things, right? But an intelligent. Why would an inanimate object be intelligent? Well, it's intelligent when it has internet connectivity baked into it, like your smartphone. They say it's smart, Mara. Anyway, that's intelligent assets or things, right? And then for that, so you need intelligent assets which connect to the internet, having their own IP addresses. So like your blinders. This way you had smart blinders, right? You were that rich, you had blinders, right? You could just click and it open themselves and they close themselves. You'd say it is intelligent, right? So that is an intelligent thing on assets, much like, well, you know what okay, we probably don't. You got, let's say, intelligent blenders that open and close. You know, a smart home, right? That's what I'm getting to. So smart home has their own things. So all those things open and close and so on. That's part of automation. Now they have their own IP addresses. They connect to their own local area network, which is LAN in the home, connected to that one thing. That one thing could be an app on a device. What is a paper doing in here? Apparently, there's no paper, right? So that is your intelligent assets, which all have their own IP addresses. Right. So those are that's your intelligent assets. Now since they have their own IP address, they need a data communication to tell it when to open and close. And that's when this case. Tell it when to open and tell it when to close. That's when you need data communications network. So you have things scattered. This is gonna be a pain to edit. You have things scattered all over, and then you need a data communications network. Connecting that. That's the communications network, sort of your local area network, right? So you've got that, and then now you need an application. Now you need the people to see what's happening and how they see it. You need an application to interpret or understand what is going on. Why are they using that difficult English? To interpret, understand what is going on, and analyze. I can't break that one down. If you know, you know. If you don't know, then you don't know. To interpret and to analyze what is going on. See, makes sense? That's the IoT. You need intelligent assets, your blinders, and everything that constitutes. And I suppose I'm also using difficult words. Anyway, you got your blinders and everything that constitutes your smart home, and then you got your data communications, which is your local area network. Well, I'm guessing it's a local area network. I really do not know, but that's your data communications thingy. And then you got application to interpret and analyze the information you're given. And then last but not least, you need the people. Yeah. Oh, data communications infrastructure. Why? Data communications infrastructure. Come on. I mean, intelligence assets. Doesn't that make you think of spy movies? Not this IoT thing that I'm busy with. Make you think of the CIA. You know, KGB. You know, and I'm sure you guys don't know the others, like your Mossad, and I don't know the others. Well, I know I forgot their names, but yeah, you got your CIA, KGB. So intelligent assets makes you think of, not IoT. I mean, come on. I mean, infrastructure. See. I'm in the mocking. See, third one. See, what I started with is here, placed within the domain. 7 marks guaranteed, chief. 7 marks. We're moving. DPMO. Six Sigma. Right. You got 120. You got 120 production stages. You got 96. You got 17. 96 plus 17. And then the calculator. And then my work disappears. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You got to equal sign. When you get this. You get this. That's electrical switch, pneumatic switch. That's a pump. Level switch low. What's a chemical reactor? We even deal with chemicals, never mind. Let me keep quiet. Chemical reactor, before I say something very dumb. A chemical reactor is an enclosed volume in which a chemical reaction takes place. I didn't know that. I was about to shout, but I didn't know that. I thought they were like, those bombs and so on, much like a nuclear reactor, so on and so on. I didn't know that. In an automation company, a process and instrumentation diagram. There's a difference between horizontal and vertical integration in the manufacturing environments. But the goal is the same with transmission of information between various systems and across all processes using data transfer standards and creating the basis for an automated supply and value chain. Depict in a detailed diagram the integration of all the different vertical and horizontal components to be found in an automated factory from supplier to customer. Yes, that is what we do here. Yes. Each is over 30 minutes. Got 30 minutes. You got 30 minutes. The clock starts now. There's a difference between horizontal integration and vertical integration into manufacturing environments. But the goal is the same with transition. What am I reading? There's a difference between horizontal and vertical. Retake. There's a difference between horizontal and vertical integration in the manufacturing environments. But the goal is the same with transmission of information between various systems and across all processes using data transfer standards and creating the basis for an automated supply and value chain. Depict in a detailed diagram the integration of all the different vertical and horizontal components to be found in an automated factory from supplier to customer. Yes, that is what we do here. Yes. The same with transmission. This makes no sense. What? The difference between horizontal and vertical integration in a manufacturing environment. Sure, the goal is the same with transmission of information. The goal is the same with transmission of information between various systems and across all processes. What? The goal is the same with transmission of information between various systems and across all processes using data transfer standards and creating the basis for automated supply and value chain. You got management. There's no planning this time. You got management. You got supervisory. You got control. And then you got the field. Now, in the field, what happened? In the field, you got your sensors. No. You got your pre-processing. You got your processing. You got your analyzation. Then you go to output. Now, in your control is where you got your customers and your suppliers. Yes. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why are there 5? Why are there 5? Why? Okay, you got horizontal integration. Okay, so you got your field level. You got your pre-process, you got your pre-processing, you got your assembly. Wait, do you have pre-processing? When does the processing happen if you got your pre-processing? That doesn't make sense. You got your pre-processing, you got your pre-assembly, When the processing happens, nobody knows, even me, I don't know. You got your pre-processing, you got your pre-assembly, you got your assembly. After your assembly, you got your inspection. You must inspect the product, you see. Make sure that it's working properly. After that, you got your packaging. Make sure it's packaged correctly. But if you're doing a YouTube video, this is a word of warning. You package first. I don't know how you'll do it, but you package first with your title and your thumbnail. So whether I should do that for this video. But anyway, if you're doing YouTube, you package first. Yeah, package first. Anyway, you got pre-processing. When processing happens, we don't know. You got your pre-assembly, you got your assembly, and then you got inspection. Yeah, you must inspect the product to make sure everything is good, everything is nice. Must be nice. Nice. Yes. And then last but not least, you package. Not in YouTube, but everywhere else, you package last because you have a proper product, proper inspection. So that is your horizontal integration. No, it's not. That's just on the field level what happens. This is your field level what happens. And then we go up to your control level. And you see on your control level, you got your smart sourcing and your smart distribution. And in the middle, I also don't know. In the middle, there's nothing written here. So what am I supposed to write? There's nothing written here. And you go to smart sourcing from your suppliers to an empty factory to your consumers, where the inspection, the pre-processing, we don't know where the processing happens. Apparently, even on the control level, is not there. There's a lot going on this side. Anyway, you got your pre-processing, you got your no, we passed that one. You got your smart sourcing, your smart distribution. Now, your smart sourcing, what you're doing, you're connecting with the supplier. Supplier must give you what you want. You put in your empty factory, you take from the empty factory, give to the customer. No inspection, none of that. Yeah, is what the thing is saying. It's not me, it's what the thing is saying. That's what they pay. And then you distribute to your customers and your warehouse. Isn't the warehouse supposed to be under control? Anyway, you take that, and then that is your field level. That is your horizontal integration. You go to vertical integration at the bottom, pointing up. And then from there, you got your pre-assembly. From pre-assembly is going into an empty factory in your control level. From the control level, we move to operations. This thing doesn't make sense. You move to process management. Process management. Then you go to operation management. Then you go to corporate management. Where's the planning? Where's the supervising?